Dinosaurs, the magnificent creatures that once ruled our planet, continue to intrigue us with their mysteries. One of the most enduring puzzles is whether these prehistoric behemoths were cold-blooded like reptiles or warm-blooded like mammals and birds. For centuries, the prevailing belief was that dinosaurs were slow, lumbering giants reliant on external heat sources to regulate their body temperature. However, recent discoveries have challenged this long-held assumption, suggesting that dinosaurs may have possessed a more dynamic metabolism than previously thought. The question of dinosaur metabolism is not merely an academic debate, it has profound implications for our understanding of their physiology, behavior, and ultimately, their evolutionary success. A warm-blooded metabolism would have allowed dinosaurs to be more active, agile, and adaptable to different environments, potentially contributing to their dominance over millions of years. Conversely, a cold-blooded metabolism would have imposed limitations on their activity levels and geographic distribution. The evidence for and against dinosaur endothermy, warm-bloodedness, is complex and multifaceted, drawing from various fields such as paleontology, physiology, and biochemistry. The traditional view of dinosaurs as cold-blooded reptiles stems from their classification as archosaurs, a group that includes modern-day crocodiles and alligators. These reptiles are ectothermic, meaning they rely on external heat sources such as the sun to regulate their body temperature. This physiological constraint limits their activity levels and geographic range, as they are most active in warm climates and become sluggish in colder temperatures. For decades it was assumed that dinosaurs, being closely related to crocodiles, shared this ectothermic physiology. However, this view began to shift in the latter half of the 20th century, as paleontologists unearthed more evidence suggesting that dinosaurs were far more dynamic than previously thought. The discovery of dinosaurs in polar regions where temperatures would have been too cold for ectothermic animals to survive challenged the notion of dinosaurs as solely tropical creatures. Furthermore, the bone structure of many dinosaurs, particularly theropods like Tyrannosaurus rex, indicated rapid growth rates more consistent with endothermic animals, which have higher metabolic rates and can sustain faster growth. The early Jurassic period was a time of significant evolutionary innovation, and the fossils from this era provide a glimpse into the transition of dinosaurs from their cold-blooded ancestors to potentially warm-blooded descendants. One key discovery that has revolutionized our understanding of dinosaur physiology is the preservation of soft tissues, such as feathers, in some early Jurassic dinosaur fossils. Feathers, which are characteristic of birds, the only surviving lineage of dinosaurs, are thought to have evolved initially for insulation, a crucial adaptation for maintaining a stable body temperature. The presence of feathers in some early Jurassic dinosaurs, such as the small feathered theropod Dilong paradoxus, suggests that these animals may have possessed some degree of endothermy. While Dilong itself may not have been fully warm-blooded, its feathers indicate a step in that direction. Furthermore, the discovery of complex respiratory systems in some early Jurassic dinosaurs, such as the sauropod Lufengosaurus, also points towards a more active metabolism. These dinosaurs had air sacs, similar to those found in modern birds, which would have made their respiratory systems more efficient, allowing them to take in more oxygen and fuel a higher metabolic rate. The accumulating evidence from fossils, combined with insights from physiology and biochemistry, has led to a paradigm shift in our understanding of dinosaur metabolism. While the debate is far from settled, there is growing support for the idea that dinosaurs were not sluggish, cold-blooded reptiles, but rather dynamic animals with a physiology closer to that of birds and mammals. This new perspective has profound implications for our understanding of dinosaur ecology, behavior, and evolution. Endothermy, the ability to maintain a stable internal body temperature regardless of external conditions, provides several advantages. It allows animals to be active in a wider range of temperatures, expanding their geographic range and making them less susceptible to environmental fluctuations. Warm-blooded animals also tend to have higher levels of endurance and activity, enabling them to cover greater distances, hunt more effectively, and evade predators more successfully. These advantages may have played a crucial role in the evolutionary success of dinosaurs, allowing them to dominate terrestrial ecosystems for over 180 million years. The transition to endothermy in dinosaurs was likely a gradual process, with different lineages evolving this trait at different times and to varying degrees. Some dinosaurs may have been fully endothermic, while others may have exhibited intermediate forms of thermoregulation, such as gigantothermy, where a large body size helps to maintain a relatively stable internal temperature. The evolution of endothermy in dinosaurs is a complex and fascinating story that continues to unfold as new discoveries are made.